get excited whenever I get a package. Since I'm so excited, I want to share my excitement with y'all. I just got my book bag today. And like, I know it's just a book bag or whatever, but this book bag actually cost me a little coin. I just get excited whenever I get a package. So yeah, let's open it. Ooh! I know I'm the one that opened it. I ordered it. But I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't stop smiling. Prime. Y'all need to watch me open this, okay? Eek! Okay. Yeah, this is cool. I'm so freaking excited, bro. Y'all just don't understand. I'm gonna use this for the 2021-2022 school year as a freshman. I was like, I need to get a good book bag because these years are gonna be great. Yeah. 7th grade year, I got a book bag from a terrible site, and that book bag broke down on me halfway through the school year. So I got a quality book bag now, and I'm excited. Okay. But dang, bro, I forgot Amazon packaging tape is thick. Got wires in it and junk. Not wires, but like this thick string. Ow! Y'all see? Yo, this is not the color I wanted. Oh my god, this is not the color I wanted at all. This is not the color. No, I wanna cry. I wanna cry. This is not the color I wanted. Oh my god. This is wrong. No. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. I want to cry right now. Oh my god, I want to cry. God, please. Oh my god, God. Please don't let it be that bad. Oh my god, I want to cry. Oh my god. No. Not it. This is not the one I wanted. Oh my god, this is not like the pictures. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Yo. Did y'all see this? Yo, I'm serious right now. Like, this is not it. I'm really just, oh my god. Oh, I cannot use this. This is not, bro, in the picture it was red. It was red, it was not pink. Y'all, what is this? It's pink. I want it red. I will put up what the book bag looks like on Amazon. They are catfishing me, and I am about to call Amazon right now. I'm not playing with them. I'm not playing. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. But oh my god. What is this? I'm paying $34 for this. 32. call Amazon right now. I'm not playing right now. This is not what I wanted. Oh, I'm finna tell my cop this is terrible. No. No. This is not it. Oh my God, this looks so bad. I can't do this. Why is it pink? Why is it pink? What the heck? What is this? Do you see the color scheme? It looks bad. This looks terrible. Bro, look how pink it is in the light. Oh my God. Makai, it looks bad.
What are they red?
It's pink.
Yeah, you should have got the blue one.
Shut up. It's so pink. Like I was saying, this is what I was trying to avoid, but basically, Amazon got me returning this. I didn't want to return it because I knew it was gonna be a long process, but I don't want this book bag, guys. This book bag is ugly. It's pink. I look like my 7-year-old sister. This is terrible. So I'm gonna just order another book bag. I'm gonna show y'all what the book bag look like, and this is what I got. They finna ship me the label or whatever, because I ain't got no printer over here, so I have to pay $1 for them to ship me the label, and then that's gonna be here within 3 to 5 days, and then I gotta ship this to them. That's gonna take another 3 to 5 days, so this gonna be over the course of like 2 weeks of me getting my money back. This is what I was trying to avoid because this is so problematic. But yeah, so now I'm gonna order a book bag right now, because I know I'm gonna get my money back on this one. I'm gonna just go ahead and order another one, and I'll get my money back on this one eventually once it gets there. So I just want to say, it's crazy how this video started off so excited and it just ended off with me like with barely any energy. That's just sad. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and just wait for more videos that I post, because I try to post every day. Y'all, I just want to say, like, it's a good thing that I ordered this way before school started, because if I would have had ordered this like a week before school started, baby, I would have had to wear this to school. Y'all, I really started crying because, like, I was so excited. Like, y'all could see the excitement on my face. I was so excited because I get so excited when I get packages, and when they just come like this, bro, that was the most disappointing thing ever. Like, oh my gosh. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and bye.